The marks of 9 students were measured and the results were as follows. These are the marks of the 9 students. What is the range of the data? Now what is the range? Range means maximum minus minimum. So which is the maximum number over here? 166. Minimum number 135. So range is 166 minus 135, that is 31. What is the mean marks of the students? Mean means average. Average means total upon number of elements. How many are there? 9. So total upon 9. 1362 upon 9. Now divide this. 9 ones are 9. 4 remaining. 9 fives are 45. 1 remains. 9 ones are 9. 3 remains. Means 30 and point. So 9 threes are 27. And then again 3 remains. 9 threes are 37. It will go continuously. Infinite. Stop after 2. So average is 151.33. How many students are there whose marks are more than the mean marks? What is the mean? 151.33. How many have got more than 151.33? See these. There are 6 students. So answer is